Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to make highlights on Instagram. So let's get started. Now at first go to your Play Store app and update your Instagram. Now tap on search option and now search for Instagram. Now tap on Instagram is available updated. Now go back and home screen. Now open your Instagram app and follow by step properly. Now click here plus icon. Now click here and now click here gallery option. Now click here and scroll down. Select the photos. After select the photos, now click here arrow icon. Now click here and now click here share option. Click here and now click here add highlights. Click here add highlights option and highlights option name NAT natural. Now click here add option. Now click here and now click here done option and now click here profile icon. Now click here profile and refresh. Now highlight option available. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.